Hey there. It is November 10th, and I'm just going for a little walk in my backyard. It's been a while since I made one of these little nature walk videos, and I'm not even sure what to say. I just felt compelled to come out here and just be a part of nature for a moment. It's really beautiful and cool and dusky and a little foggy. I don't know if you can see behind me. It's just gray and cloudy. And these are some of my favorite days. They always have been, because everything is just quiet and cold and a little dark, and everybody's trying to stay warm and cozy inside, and you can kind of go out and be by yourself for a little while. But it's really beautiful out here right now, and I've got my phone on a selfie stick with my little microphone plugged in. But I just wanted to come on here and say that this upcoming week is going to be really exciting. And I know that's not just for me. It's because there's so much potential in next week. There's been some really crappy events that have happened recently. And I've managed to stay afloat and not get sucked into all of it. All the fear and the uncertainty, and just kind of relish in the unknown and just feel grateful that I don't know what's going to happen. And if I don't want to, I don't have to worry about what's going to happen. If I can program my mind and just kind of convince myself that everything's going to be okay, as long as I don't get sucked into anyone else's narrative but my own. And the narrative that I want to be a part of right now is that I don't know what's going to happen, and there's magic right around the corner. All I have to do is look for it. And it doesn't matter what anybody else says, or what everybody else thinks. It just matters what you think and how you feel, because you're the only one living in your body. That's not to say that what everybody else is feeling isn't relevant and you don't have to be concerned about other people's feelings. That's definitely not what I mean. But just right now, in your body, in this space and time, just decide how you want to feel. What do you want this moment to be about? What are you going to focus your attention on? It doesn't matter what's going on in the world. For you, what matters is what's going on right in front of you at this moment in time and how you feel about that. Are you happy with where you are? Are you happy with what you're doing in the world and what you're going to be doing tomorrow? If not, there's no time like the present to decide that it's time to change that. Next week, I'm going to begin, well, I guess not begin, but we'll kind of begin. I'm going to open up something to the public that I've been working on for a while now, and that I used to do in the past in a different way. But this time it's more me. It's less what I thought I should be doing because it's what I saw other people doing and what was working for them, and more just doing what I think will bring me the most joy at this moment of time and feels the most authentic with where I am at this moment of time, in this moment of time. And I'm really proud of myself for getting it together and getting it nearly ready to launch. So fingers crossed, tomorrow by this time it will be live and I will have made something available that I've been wanting to do for years now. Like I said, it's something that I did in the past, and because I didn't do it exactly the way I wanted to, out of fear of, looking silly or fear of failure, and being told that I had to, pick a niche, stick with it, do what works, model what you're doing after someone who's successfully done what you've done, and it never felt like me. I felt like I was putting myself in this box that was relevant to someone else, and it didn't work because I was trying to be someone that I'm not. And it might have looked like it was working on the outside, but in my heart it wasn't working. And this time's going to be different because I'm finally doing things the way I want to, regardless of what anyone else thinks and feels. And oh, I think my mom just brought the dog outside. Hold on. Hi. My mom's bringing her dog outside to go potty. But, oh, can you hear the train? Yeah, I'm sure you can hear the train in the distance. It's very loud. On cloudy days like today, you can hear things from miles away. I'm so grateful to live out here. It's scary at night because it's so open and empty, but that's part of why I like it. I mean, look. It's just me out here. Like, there's stuff way over there, but it's just me and these trees. Like, I don't know what this is all gonna sound like or end up, if it's gonna be cohesive, but I guess I just wanted to come on here and say that I'm proud of myself. Oh, it's windy. And I hope that this week you can do something that makes you proud of yourself too. Like I said, there's no time like the present to get something done or start something that will bring you joy or make your life easier, more relevant to your likes and needs. And let's create the life of our dreams this week. If you haven't started, start now. Like, don't wait. Don't wait to be happy. Some birds just flew by. All I wanted was a magical life and to be loved and to make art and to have the means to take care of myself and other people. And I have that now. And it's taken me a long time to get there, but I couldn't do it if I hadn't decided that I wanted to begin. And it takes titration. It takes baby steps. You have to do a little bit at a time so you don't get overwhelmed and you don't burn out. But you have to begin. If you don't begin, how is it going to happen? Nobody's going to do it for you. Life will only wait for you for so long. Can you see all the Moss on this tree. This tree is nearly dead, but it's still standing. I don't want to wait till I'm nearly dead to live the life that brings me joy and do the things that I wish I had done when I was younger. I don't want to run out of time. There's a bug on the camera. I want to make my younger self proud. I want to make myself proud right now. I want my future self to go, oh my God, today was the day. She did it. This was when she decided that enough was enough. And her dreams were important enough to go after. And I hope that you can do that too. I hope this week you will make a big decision that will change the course of your life forever, for good and for love and for yourself. Love yourself. You can't expect anyone else to love you unless you love yourself first. Well, I think I've rambled enough. I don't know what this sounds like, but take care of yourself and love yourself. Treat yourself well. Do things that bring you joy. Do something, do anything. Just pick one thing to do. If not tonight, just pick one thing that you're going to do tomorrow that will make your life a little bit easier, make you a little bit happier, and make being here a little bit easier. I know it's not always, sunshine and rainbows. It's tough being here on planet Earth. Like, being human is hard, but it's only hard if you think it is. If you think being here is easy, then who's to tell you that you're wrong but yourself? And even if they do, what's it matter? They're not living in your shoes. For some people, it is tough. They're being hunted and murdered and persecuted and threatened and killed and maimed and, you know? But I bet if you're watching this, that's not you. I bet you're somewhere warm. If you're not warm, I bet you have the means to warm yourself up. It's not all bad. There's a lot of good here. There's plenty to go around. All you have to do is reach out and take it. If it's not in front of you, go find it. Go find it and get it. You deserve it. You do. No matter what you think, you do. I wonder what that is. Is that a deer? Is that a person? I don't know. It is a deer. Hello, love. I love living here. I know some people are like, what the hell is there in Ohio? Peace, quiet, nature, money, food, shelter. You probably can't see them because they're so far away. No, you can't see it. There's a deer back there and it's big. And I think it's got a baby with it. Stay warm tonight. Anyways, I've been rattling on for 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna go. Hello, love. I'm waving at the deer. Well, I'm gonna go inside and get warm. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful night. Take care of yourself. Do something fun. Do something that brings you joy. Eat something good. Take a nap. Rest if you need to. Get a sweat on if it helps. I hate exercising, but it helps. Just do a little something to get your heart rate up. Or eat a piece of pie. I don't care. Do what you want. It's your life. But I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. And as always, may your magic manifest. Bye.